Okay, video blog check everybody, Azrael here and we are back again for another vlog. This is a tech vlog. So we are here sa TCL event nila here sa Ascot DGC at they just presented their new generation of air conditioner na model for 2024. This is the Cool Pro Fresh In. Parang yung tanga niya, Cool Pro Fresh In. It's a new generation of air conditioner now, which is it's also act as your air purifier na rin din. Meron siyang two-way of flowing the air, filtering the air, and throwing out the dirty air outside. Syempre, kung humihigop siya ng hangin from the labas, fini-filter out din niya yon. At dahil meron siyang filter, it also, filter out yung mga harmful bacteria or mga viruses, which is maganda dahil in this new generation, dahil nagkaroon tayo ng COVID few years ago, it's time to clean up the air doon sa bahay natin. At hindi siya katulad ng mga ibang air conditioner na ganun lang, may filter lang sila yung sa labas, pero ito meron siyang 4 kinds of filter sa loob. Isa na doon is yung HEPA filter, meron pa sila itong parang metallic na nakakatulong din to kill bacteria, for example. So, yung bagong version ni TCL, yung Cool Pro Fresh In technology, not just an air conditioner but also an air filter para sa bahay. At nalaman ko kasi I just watched their presentation a while ago. Very promising. Medyo pricey lang siya, pero but for 50,000 pesos sa isang unit, yung window type nila, they're having a promo na parang 50% off nila, 25,000 plus. Promo nila April 1 hanggang May, I think end of May promo nila. So, I gave you some tawag dito, introduction about TCL's new generation of air conditioner. At eto, nasa exhibit area tayo and we are going to show to you kung ano ba itong mga to. Meron silang pang bahay at pang industrial din. At eto pa, na-announce din kanina, magkakaroon sila ng parang ganitong technology na pang split type naman daw. Split type window aircon, which is very interesting kasi it's a new parang player sila to compete with other brand na split type, but mas maganda yung technology na ino-offer ni TCL. Alright, let's cut this short. Tour na tayo, pakita ko na sa inyo yung mga new generation of air conditioner ni TCL. Okay, let's do this. Alright, we are here dun sa TCL, kanilang exhibit. Let's start from itong first model nila, which is yung TCL Cool Pro Fresh In 2.0. This is the model that they are selling right now. It's a 2024 model. It has a dual airflow, two-way fresh air. Alam natin ito yung lumalabas na hangin, but sa taas meron pa. Kumbaga, 2 kinds of air ang kinukuha niya, air sa loob ng bahay tsaka air sa labas. Lahat yun fini-filter out dito. Kasi ito yung naka-mount sa wall natin. At ito yung kanyang machine, which is fini-filter out niya yung mga maduduming hangin sa loob ng bahay and also sa labas. At bago niya ibugayan, it will be filtered here sa loob ng machine nila. So this is the TCL Cool Pro Fresh In 2.0. Ito yung some of the features: remove odors, optimize humidity, and enjoy cleaner air. Ayan. Breathable two-way fresh air. Ayan. Breathe in, breathe out daw. Tapos breathe in fresh air at 60 m³ per hour. May purification din siya. Indoor purification in bad weather. And then mayroong exhaust siya. Breathe out indoor foul air at 30 cubic ba yan? Tawag ko per hour. So, hindi ko alam yung mga terms na yan So, pasensya na. So, kahit nga yung mga foul air sa loob ng bahay tsaka sa labas, it will filter out doon sa machine niya. At meron siyang maganda dito, visible air quality. At also, I forgot to mention, you can control the TCL using your smartphone kasi may IoT na rin din siya. So, pwede siyang kahit nasa labas ka, may Alexa ka, Google Home, you can activate it kahit nasa labas ka. Yun yung pinakang magandang technology ni TCL, is meron siyang IoT feature. So yun yung wala sa ibang model. Actually, nagliligpit na dito. Bilisan lang natin. At ito yung kanilang duct type. Medyo malaki-laki to, no? Medyo malaking version to ng aircon. Pang-malakihan to. Ceiling suspended type. Ito pang malalaking room. Ayan. Wala tayong dito price, but I'm showing you the different kinds of air conditioner. Ito yung nasa ceiling. Ayan. Sa mga office, marami yan. Ito yung more of the Cool Pro. Healthy air provider with IoT. Ayan siya. Medyo magalang siya. Nababaklas siya na madali. Oh. Siyempre ito nakakabit to dito. Ayan. This is where the magic happens. Parang sabi pa rin din nila si TCL, mabilis din siya mag-cool ng kwarto. You know, one of the technology na rin din nila is, sabi to, low noise, may clean express, AI inverter na rin din siya, at may rapid cooling. Ito yung one of the features din ni TCL Cool Pro, which is, mabilis siya magpalamig ng kwarto. Kasi syempre, it's cool air yung kinukuha niya, finifilter niya, mas malinis pa. So, I think, I'm not sure kung ito yung mga model na nasa 25,000 pesos, no? And if you are looking for a air conditioner for your home, I suggest get the TCL at they're having a promo for 25,000 pesos. So, ito yung mga model nila. Para sa ibang klaseng bahay. Maganda, may application siya, may phone app, can control anywhere, anytime. Kahit for example, pero kailangan siyempre kukonek mo muna ito sa Wi-Fi. At meron din pala siyang air quality monitor na rin din. Ilang kakasabi nila. You can see it here. Ito, yan yan. No? Yan, you can see it there, may air quality monitor. And also sa application nyo, mag-register din siya. You can also control it using your phone. Bawal pauwi na kayo ng bahay, pwede nyong i-on na yung aircon pag malapit na kayo para pagbasok nyo, malamig na siya. At ito yung kanilang version na pang window. Eco inverter. I'm not familiar with this, pero I'm not sure if it's still a Cool Pro technology. At ito yung yung mga pang split type nila na they also merong application siya for apps. Like, hey Google, you can control it with an app. Inverter type na rin pala to. Ayan. Hindi ako ganun ka-expert sa aircon, but correct me na lang kung mali yung aking mga terminology, no, for using the itong mga kinukwento ko sa inyo. Ayan. Low noise operation, 35% energy saving, intelligent control, IoT, AI inverter, at 42 decibel. At pala na-mention din nila kanina na you can also monitor the electricity consumption dun sa app. So, hindi lang siya basta aircon. There's a lot of monitor where you can see kung malakas ba siya sa kuryente, na monitor nyo pag gamitin nyo. Ayun ang maganda, kinaganda kay TCL. At ito naman yung industrial aircon nila. Ayan. Super laki. Pang malaki yan to, pang restaurant or pang living room, di ba? Ito yung mga gusto namin, ganito kalaki. Kasi sobrang laking ganda. So, this is a Cool Pro na rin din. So, everything is, may IoT na rin din siya. You can control it your phone, and also, there's air filter inside. Mas maganda na. And this one is pang smart home daw. For example, you have a TV, you have an aircon, and you have the app, TCL na app. Ayan, no? Pinapakita dito. Ayan, no? There's a video. Power monitoring, and you can control it. And also, I think any information about your machine will be displayed on your app. And sabi silang turbo cooling. Ayan. So, at least may idea na kayo, no? Kung ano yung technology na ino-offer ni TCL. At ayan, with defrosting din siya. Drying. Ayan, no? Pinapatay niya yung mga bacteria. 99.99%. Yun yung app. Yun yung app. And that's it. Cool Pro Fresh In 2.0 ni TCL. Ayan, si Catherine Bernardo ang kanilang endorser. At kanina, pinakilala si Sara Labati at saka si Colin Garcia doon sa event. Alright, so that's it. That's it for TCL. I think we introduced a very nice content for today, for tech content. At ayun, so I'll end my video here kasi tapos na yung event and I'm vlogging everything. So yun. So yun, if you're looking for a new generation of air conditioner, I suggest check out TCL, yung kanilang Cool Pro Fresh In 2.0 technology. Alright, so that's it guys for our vlog for today. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video, vlog, adventure. Wala nang tao dito. Ako na lang mag-isa. Wala na yung mga media. Talagang in-absorb ko muna yung event bago ako umuwi. Alright, kita-kits, and thank you, TCL. Alright.